Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now this case is carbon fiber leather Samsung Galaxy Z Fold case with wireless charging and flip viewing stand. Okay, so it's got a little kickstand on it, carbon fiber look. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It is the carbon fiber leather case for the Z Fold 3. I've got a kickstand and you can wireless charge with it. Here's a few pictures right there. Hopefully it's a pretty good case. Nice to have a kickstand there. I got it on Friday. It says free delivery by September 16th, but it's not a prime item, but it does come pretty quickly. So $34.99 for these for this case. I know these cases are expensive. These are two-piece cases. I guess that's why they're charging so much for them, but to me they're not really worth that. But you got to have something on the device to keep it protected. All right. Now I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box right here. Galaxy Z Fold 3 case, new. Should put that on here. It's a nice box. Pretty plain. It's got like a little wood grain in there and a little soft padding inside there. So presentation is okay. Pull this out of this plastic right here. Let's get this stuff out. Let's get this out of the way. All right. So of course you got your two-piece case. Here's the front cover right here. It's fairly thin. There's no carbon fiber on this one. Now this has got this gap in the corners there. Hopefully that doesn't make it loose, and it does fit pretty tight. There's no tape or anything on this. Although I do have some two-sided tape, I might stick a little piece on there, but it doesn't have tape with it. We'll see how it holds up when you put it on the phone, whether it slides or not. But fairly thin, so you should be able to slide your hand across the screen with no problem. All right, but it's a soft feel, not too hard. Now this is the back cover. Inside has a soft touch feel, a little bit of ridges in there, smooth ridges. Then you got this carbon fiber look on the back, not leather, but they call it leather, but it's carbon fiber. You got a lip for the camera right there. Hopefully that covers that up. Opening for the power button and the charger and the volume up and down rocker. You got your speaker opening right there up top, and then you got your charging port and your mic opening right there. And this is the kickstand right here. Thin kickstand. It doesn't feel too flimsy. It has a nice little spring right there, and it can hold itself up. We'll see how it does with the device, but that's the way you look at it right there. All right. So hopefully this works pretty well. All right. Now we're going to get the device and put it inside and see how it works. Okay, here's the Z Fold 3. Let's go ahead and put the back in. Snap that on there. So that snapped on pretty good. No moving around there, so it's a nice snug fit. All right, and then we're going to put on this front cover right here. Hopefully that one holds up pretty good. Okay, so it kind of snapped on. You're looking for that snap, right? Now this can move, but the case, I'm looking to see if the case itself moves when I open and close. So opening the case up, it didn't move then. And actually this kickstand feels nice because it's got a little point of reference on the back. So that's pretty good. And it's thin, okay? And you can see the corners right there that I talked about. But the case offers minimal protection. You're not going to be able to throw this across the room, and it's not going to protect against drops, but it will protect against scratches. So if you're a person that doesn't drop your phone very much, this might work for you. Plus you got the kickstand. Now the camera looks like it's protected. The camera lens looks like it's a little bit taller. I'm gonna get a card and see if that slides across. Okay, so the way I check the camera is I use a card, and if I can't slide it across without hitting the lens, then it's not covered. So that went across smoothly. As you can see, it's not hitting the lens. So well, yeah, it's not hitting the lens. It's right there. It's like just right there. So you still got to be careful, I think, with this. All right, and of course the front cover, you have a little bit of protection on the glass there, so you can put this down. But the case is holding up pretty well. It's not moving around, and you know it's opening up. It's not moving when I open it up or anything like that. So that's pretty cool. Now let's see how this kickstand works. All right. Now of course you can put the kickstand down to look at this screen, right? But then can you put it down to watch the bigger screen? That's the question. All right, so let's see. So it did hold the bigger screen up, all right? That way it held it up, and I guess you can put it down this way too, to look at it that way as well. So the kickstand is serviceable. I think it'll work, and might be a good case for you, okay? Now, I did feel this side move a little bit when I tried to close it up. So there's a little bit of movement there, so that might wear on the device. So it just got a little bit of movement, not anything annoying or anything like that, but it's not sticky. It's not sticking to the surface. So I see why they do that, but this is not bad. It's not annoying, and it's not moving around too much, I think. And in the case, I think it feels good. Feels good in the hand, not too thick, and it looks nice too, right? A nice looking case, you can see that. All right, now they say wireless charging works even with the case on. Let me open this up and see how this slides up. So it's still, you get some interference there, but not too much with the sides, all right? Still kind of slim and slender. All right, now let's check out the wireless charge and see how that works, okay? Okay, so the manufacturer said that this case will wireless charge even with this kickstand on the back. Let's check it out. So it picked it up, no problem, that's beautiful. All right, then let's stand it up and see what happens when we put this on. Now see, the case didn't stand up really well because that kickstand does interfere with standing it up. And so it can't get a nice setting on this thing, so that's a problem. Now let's see when you lay it down. So it didn't charge. So it did pick up wireless charge when you lay it down that way, all right? But standing this up is sort of a problem because of this kickstand and where it's located. But you can lay it down flat and get a wireless charge. At least we got it the first time. So yeah, there you go. So make sure it's sitting right, all right? So it will wireless charge with the, and it said you can reverse wireless charge as well. So it probably works since that worked, all right? Okay, so that's a quick look at a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. It's a carbon fiber kickstand case, which is a nice feature, thin fit, and it can work if you want something minimal for your device. It's not too bulky, but it's going to give you good scratch protection, no drop protection with this case, but it looks good, all right? Now, I'll put the link in the description for if you're interested in this case, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.